Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And I've actually got a couple, but we'll take a look at BFRI. BFRI had some news in the pre-market. The only news we could really see was that Roth Capital put a very aggressive $20 price target on it. So that's what caused this pop up. And this is all pre-market. Let's see, there's the first candle. So you can see it was pretty darn choppy, all right? So as I was saying in the room, well, I will get interested in this one, number one, if it can get over 6 again, but on volume. Look what happened. Look at that volume bar right there. See, right there. And that's exactly what happened. That got me into the trade. And I've traded out of most of it. Okay, I don't know where this is going. This is an all-time high though. So, I mean, you never know where something like this can go because it is an all-time high. But this was just a matter. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, or 5 days. That's about an hour and a half before it finally got the volume that was necessary to pop it right through 6 and get it rolling. So now, oops, I think I just lost my chart. Just give me a moment. Here we go. I have to show you AERC. This is the absolute crazy one today. So this is an IPO, believe it or not. The IPO was priced at $10 and only, I think, 2.5 million shares were issued. And look what it did. It opened at 40 and it got all the way up to $102. Is that almost $102? This is going to be a massive short later on. Not today, maybe not the next day. The reason being, well, first of all, most brokers don't have shorts a day of an IPO. But this reminds us, when we were watching this reminds us so much of SOPA. If you take a look at SOPA, and I'll just bring up a weekly chart. And here's the week that SOPA did the same thing. It was a $9 IPO, or I think not that many shares outstanding. And it got up to $77 before it just absolutely collapsed. So that's what I'm thinking is going to happen with AERC. But man, oh man, what craziness. Just when you think you've seen it all, you just see another one. All right, everybody. So, in case you don't know, the markets are closed tomorrow. New York, U.S. Thanksgiving, open half a day on Friday. So, of course, I won't open the room tomorrow, but I will open the room for Friday. So, if you're a U.S. citizen, have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you Friday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time when I open the room. So, let me just close this down when I get back into the room and see what's happening.